Hey, it's Owen at Central Vacuum coming to you again from a new construction home, this time in the north suburbs of Chicago. I'm in Riverwoods at a project where we are installing 10 retractable hose inlets. This is a big house, and to cover, 10,000 square feet, actually more than that, we are doing 3 retractables on the second floor, 3 on the main floor, 2 in the basement, and then 2 in the garages to clean every square inch of this house. And so that means we have to run over 500 feet of central vac pipe here. And especially where the retractable raceways are, we want to run that with as few elbows as possible, as little up and down around obstacles as we can. But there's some things where we have to wait until they're in first. So the trades like the heating and cooling, the sheet metal, that takes precedence. You can see that's in all the ductwork, including the trunk lines in the basement, so we can work around those. The plumbing is also in, and let's take you in a bathroom here. So this is, we have our PVC waste lines and we have our copper supply lines. Those are all routed in the right spots because those have to go wherever they have to go. Same with the heating and cooling generally. That stuff just goes where it's going to go. Now electrical, we are in after electrical also, and that's common practice. Remember, we're in Chicagoland, and even in a house, the electrical is all conduit. So you can't just take and shove aside a little bit of Romex to fit your pipe in the same place. The conduit is there where it's going to be. And so we wait until they're all done. But ideally, as in this house, we are in before fire sprinklers, low voltage wiring, and of course insulation and drywall. The fire sprinklers, they have a lot of options as far as where they can run stuff, and oftentimes when we come in after them, we find that they've taken up like running a pipe across a whole wall horizontally, which means we can't go up or down anywhere inside that wall. Kind of a limitation. And your low voltage wiring, same thing. It's really difficult to drill a hole next to a bundle of low voltage wire without risking damaging it, where they can drill a small hole next to anything and get their wire through, so they come after. So that's our ideal time. We're here doing this now. I've got another day-ish here, and then we will be ready to return once the house is painted, has cabinets, and is almost ready for occupancy is when we will trim the system out. But you want your rough-in, to summarize, you want your rough-in after your framing, plumbing, heating, and electrical, and before fire sprinklers, low voltage, insulation, or drywall. Thanks for watching. Happy vacuuming.